Alright, this is my day so far. Don't know if you're going to be able to hear that. That would be water. My basement, which isn't clean at the best of times, has now taken on a whole new disaster look to it because the hot water tank went. My heroes, my parents, come to my rescue.
We don't want to be on page.
No, Dad, it's YouTube's.
YouTube.
Yeah. TV fell off. Box is wet. Hopefully it's not too dark. But old Christmas tree going into the trash.
Can I put that piece in that bag, Wayne, or not?
What?
You want to put that piece in the bag?
Well, it's huge.
Yeah.
Well, actually,
Hold on.
take it outside.
Wet boxes. Making progress. But we still have this left. And yes, the entire basement. You can see the wet. End of today. I'm done. I'm toast. Done like dinner. I'm going to go to bed and it's like 10:30. 10:35. So we got a lot done today. Yeah, so here's an update. Alright, so we got all these different shelves in here now that we didn't have before. We've moved the couch from the other room into here so we can put stuff on it. Yeah, these are some of my stuffies that were in a wet box. My big Raggedy Ann is up in the dryer. I need to go check on her. Look. Oops. It's my vintage lunchbox from when I was a kid. And so we have this. This is still on the carpet. Oh, look, a Kit Kat. It wasn't too wet in there, and it would just be too much to move this particular piece now. But furnace room, fans are running. Oh yeah, this was Nola's sewing table and card table, and then some. Oh, there's like a rolling thingy in there which has the TV on it. And okay, that's my grandma's TV. I bought it when she passed away in the 90s, and I have it down in the basement to watch with just basic cable when I'm working down the basement on my little unit and it, all the hard drives and stuff. It fell 2 boxes height, 2 big boxes. What is that? Here. And it still works. I thought for sure, oh god, it's dead finally, but no, it still works. So still have to plug it back into cable and stuff, but not until we get this done. Now I have some pretty high-tech equipment. Check out this iron. Look at that puppy. You don't get that quality anymore. It's heavier than snot too. But yeah, this is what this room looks like. This will be tomorrow after work. I'm not sure if I'm doing a half day. I'm supposed to go to the gym tomorrow. I'm so tired. I'm going to take a leave and go to bed and read. But there's still a few wet boxes. They're not so bad in the corner over there. That corner over there, not so bad. These over here, still wet. Under the stairs, which you can't really see. in there too. So we still have this room to do. But we've made progress today. Mom and I and Dad helped. And they took a load in the van to take to the dump tomorrow, since the dump's not open today. And the carpet is all coming up and it's all going away. And it smells musty down here. So yeah, that was my Wednesday. We'll see what Thursday brings. Bye.